Hey folks, how you doing? Jay Schline with another episode of huntingandfishingmaryland.com. It's December 30th. We just got set up. It's about 2:30, and we already seen about 10 deer in the other field to our left. So hopefully the deer will be moving. It's late muzzleloader season, second week of the second season. So deer seem to be herded up a little bit. We're going to try to put some meat on the ground today, so if we see some does, we're going to try to take some does, and we'll see what happens. We'll get back to you. We got Capt and Keith here, we got Shake, we got Shaner, we got myself, Outdoor Guru, and we got a new guest, PLS, Public Land Stalker. Glad to have him. Good hunting company, so he's off to my right, so we'll see what happens tonight. Should be a good hunt. Weather's beautiful. Deer look like they're already starting to move, so we'll see what happens. Back at you. How you doing? We just had 3 shots. We had Shake, we had myself, and we had Shaner. All shot at some deer. So I don't know how my hit was. We'll go look at it later on, but we'll see how it goes. The action's starting to heat up, so we'll get back to you. Hopefully I got it on film. Who shot that deer, Shane? Who shot the deer?
What deer?
This deer.
Shane did. Nice job, Shane.
I know he ain't dragging
It's
it.
going on the website?
Yeah.
Tenderloin. There we go.
Oh, there he comes.
Gotta go and find one.
Is that really the first deer you shot this year?
You gonna look for yours anymore? Man, we looked and looked and looked.